we're gonna try to make our hand-ripped noodles. In front of you, there's pieces of dough and these rollers. So first step is we're just gonna take a piece here. This is just regular dough that we shaped into these slabs. And we're gonna put it vertically as such.
There we go.
And we're just gonna roll it flat, not too flat, but just, you know, even it out.
Alright, he blew it.
That's okay, that's okay. We can make it work. Okay. And we just take it and turn it horizontally like such. And the purpose of the roller is also just to make sure that when we're pulling noodles, it's even. So we're just gonna indent it slightly.
Blew that too.
We're gonna take these two ends. We're not gonna pinch them too hard. And we're just gonna pull it first. The dough is gonna be elastic enough for that. And then let's try not to hit each other, but we're just gonna slap it up and down. It's in the wrist and also a little bit in the arms. Well, and I'm losing a little bit of control. Pretty good, pretty good. Yep. So we're just gonna put it down. Let's take it in the middle, like string cheese, and just rip it apart like this. And then you could slap it a little bit. And in it goes into the boiling water. There you go. And then you got two. There you go. Take this, thank you. This is a combined effort. We're gonna wait for our collective dish to be boiled. It just takes 2 minutes. So we're just finishing up the noodles, and we're just gonna cover with aromatics. We got some green onion scallions here, some freshly ground red pepper.
Nice.
And we're just gonna put that on top, and we're gonna put a little crushed garlic, freshly ground, or freshly crushed, on top, with the addition of heated oil. We're gonna sear the spices, making it even more fragrant.
What kind of oil is that?
That's just regular vegetable oil. This is a very simple dish, and it's gonna generate a lot of smoke. So if you have a smoke alarm at home, you gotta
open
that door.
Heads up, you will
Just
have a
heads up.
truck in front of your house if you're in New York City and try that.
Now we're just gonna mix it up.
Beautiful.
You guys smell that, right? Oh.
And then does it get finished with that beautiful silky sauce over there?
Oh, that's already added, actually.
Oh,
So
it's already in
It's already
there.
in here. We wanna save that, do that before the aromatics so we could
Gotcha.
get a nice focus on that. All right, so I'm just gonna plate this.
So Jason, they're holding up a card that says you have a cookbook coming up?
Oh, yes. You know, we have a few restaurants in New York City. We provide all of our secret recipes that our fans really love in our cookbook, which is
so you
coming out
can
this fall.
really eat it there and make it home.
Yeah, exactly.